In our last video, you saw everything that we needed to pack to take away with us. This time, we're going to tell you all the things that we needed to get in order to go travelling. First up, number one is passports. Passports are the most essential thing to take with you if you're going travelling. We already had passports, so this one was a nice, easy one to start off.
At number 2 on the list is visas. With just your passport, you'll get into many countries without a visa. However, a lot of countries around the world, you still require some sort of visa to enter. I'm still not exactly sure on every country we're going to the visa situation, as we'll keep an eye on that as we travel. However, I do know that Indonesia, our first country, is a visa on arrival. So when we turn up at the airport, we'll pay a fee in cash and that'll get us a visa for, I think it's up to 30 days. The Philippines is the same. And some of the other countries like Hong Kong and Singapore, because we have British passports, we don't need a visa at all to enter.
Number 3 on the list is international driving licenses. We have been driving since we could at 17. We quite like driving, so we decided that it was worth getting these so that we could drive legally in all of the countries that we're visiting.
Insurance is one of those things that you don't really need it until you really need it. So obviously we've got insurance, travel insurance. We've taken out backpacker cover for the year. There's so many different options for insurances for the year, different prices and everything, and obviously different things that they cover and don't cover. We've taken out a pretty basic option. I think it was roughly £750 for the year, and it was from Outbacker Cover, which is underwritten by AXA.
In at number 5, we have travel vaccines. Because we were going all over the world, we had to get all the vaccines that they had available to us. So we got Hep A and Hep B, typhoid, Japanese, influenza. We couldn't get rabies, it wasn't available. And we also had to get these malaria tablets. We only took one box between the two of us because they're ridiculously expensive here, and they want us to take one every day that we're in a malaria zone, which is most of the first half year of our travels. So we only bought one box, and we'll see if we can get more cheaper when we're out there. All of the vaccines together cost us around £750 for the two of us. This box of malaria tablets was £50 alone, and you only get 36 tablets. So between us, that would last us about 15 days. It's not accurate, is it?
18 days, but...
Terrible maths. Last up is travel money. We have got cash in dollars because they are universally accepted. They're quite a good backup option if we're ever in a bit of trouble. We've got euros from previous holidays, and we've got our Indonesian rupees that you've seen in our previous video because our first stop is Bali. Then we also have a Revolut card. These are great because you can use them globally and take out money for free. They also have other good benefits because we have a premium package.
So that there is everything we've had to get for our year of travel.
This is our last video until we commence our travels with day number 1.